Morning everyone, Martin from Dartana Plants. Anyway, a little jaunty poos away from the garden to take advantage of the daughter's extra week at half term in October now, which is good. Anyway, in the lovely island of Kos, I was expecting to see a lot of the normal palms, banana plants, which I'll come on to later, and other few exotics that we've got. You can see a few of the flowers here just on some of the hedges there, and see what they were like. But the thing I was most taken by, and actually quite surprised me, was rosemary. You would have never thought it really, but look at what they do with it. This is a rosemary, and they've got it planted all along this wall here, draping over it. Now, I don't know the exact variety, but I am probably erring towards prostratus, maybe. Certainly not an upright one, obviously, but look at the way they've got it growing. And this is full sun. This is getting caned during the day. So this plant is putting up with some severe weather condition. Now, I never really thought of the rosemary like this because, like everyone else, as far as I'm concerned, it's a herb. And herbs grow near the kitchen somewhere or allotment. You plant a plant, pick it every now and again, chuck it in with a bit of lamb or spread it out on some potatoes and stuff like that, and hey presto, that's what you do with it. But I never really thought of it as a separate plant. But here, they've not only got this growing over the wall, but they've also got it as a hedging plant as well. Upright variety, obviously, like jessops or arp, something like that. But what a great idea. This is something I am certainly going to be doing when I get back home, because I just think this is fantastic. What a brilliant idea. You know, and when you think about it, you know, it is great because over here we've got flowers still growing on it here. You've got this magnificent scent, which we're all used to. It's evergreen. It forms beautifully. Then, of course, as the leaves grow, the leaves on it are protected. Well, the leaves obviously keep the water in place because they've got like a covering and coating to them. Obviously, it can deal with sort of like the rough old conditions as well. But brilliant idea. Anyway, I'll show you the next bit. Just said hello to that woman as well. I think that means good morning or hello or something. Anyway, I'll show you now the next bit, which is the hedging plant. But also they use it for underplanting with other exotics as well. It's just, what a great idea. It's cool. Look, a rosemary hedge. I would have never thought of putting a rosemary as a hedge. It's been trimmed exactly like a normal hedge would. But look at it. Isn't it fantastic? Never thought about this. It's evergreen. It flowers. It trims beautifully. Look at it. Look at the shape they've got on it. Fantastic. And it stretches all the way down there. Hard as nails, obviously, because look at the weather it has to deal with over in Kos. What a brilliant, brilliant thing. I am certainly thinking about looking at ways of growing my rosemary now and using them in the garden like this. But what a brilliant, brilliant plant. Anyway, I'll shut up a bit and just show you this hedge here. It just sits right, doesn't it? Brilliant.